Hello guys, I'm Suryavan. So today we are going to see how to develop a custom Fiori client with SAP Web ID. So currently I'm using trial account here. Okay, let's get into it. We'll create first. Go to the right click and go to the new menu and there select project template and project prompt template, and we'll have some this kind of interface. And this, go to the category, select, here you can see Fiori client application. Okay, select this, we'll have this. Here you can use any version specific Fiori client. We'll go with the latest. Next, and now it will ask us to enter project name. Custom Fiori client. And now to next, it will ask for an app ID. App ID is nothing but the namespace for this project. So we'll give com.my used already list com.demo. Okay, I'll give com.demo. Custom Fiori client. Any description if you want to provide a vendor or you are making Fiori client for any of your client project, then enter the vendor name. Next, so it will take a few seconds. Yeah, it is there. So here it shows a default FLP URL or a portal site link if it has, or you can enter if you have any custom Fiori URL. So I'll enter anything just to get to the next step. Okay, I'll finish this. I'll show you how we can edit this link in project, and when the Fiori client APK is built, we can use it. It will ask us to enter our FLP URL. So we have our custom Fiori client application. Okay, so first let me show you how we can change the URL which is entered while creating the project. Say you say we have a Fiori URL here, we can update this URL anytime. So I'll go with the empty. I'll empty it. I do not have any. I'll enter once the application is developed. Okay, I'll save it. So now in this, now we want to add some custom plugin where one of our if you have a project which need a specific plugin to make it work, so you can add this type of plugin as well. So open the config.xml. Here we can enter the custom plugins. Here you can see these are all the listed plugins, default plugins in this Fiori client. So to add our custom plugin, just right click on the project, go to mobile. It will show us a menu. Select Cordova plugin and build custom Fiori client tab. So we have to add plugin. So we'll select Cordova plugins. It will take some time to load. Meanwhile, let me get the plugin name that I want to add. So this is the plugin I am looking to add in this project. This is an daring campaign Cordova plugin intent. So this is basically for registering for any intent. So here we can look for this plugin. After In this we can select platform any Android or iOS platform we can select based on your requirement, and I'll enter the plugin name and search. So this plugin is not available for iOS, so we'll remove iOS and then see it's here. Now to add this plugin, click on this action, add. So it will give us a small detail about the plugin, author, last update on, and support for Android. Okay, and here if it has a multiple version, it will show the list of version which one you want to add. So I'll go with 1.3.0. Okay, save. Okay, so it will let's see. If you can see, we have our custom plugin added here. Okay, so this is done. Now we are ready to build our Fiori client. I'll close this. I'll right click on this, go to mobile, build custom Fiori client app. Now clicking after this, it will give us an interface where it will ask us to do some configuration like app name, whatever the app name you want to enter. It doesn't have to be the same as the project file name. The description, I'll enter like demo Fiori client, and if icon you have any, if you're developing for a client, it has any icon, a client a company has an icon, you can use that, and the same goes for the splash screen of this. And here we have an app version. You can enter a custom app version, or you can leave it blank, so application will handle the default versioning. So I have nothing to change here. I'll go next. So here we can see we have already selected this Android. Okay, and one more thing, let me tell you. So I like to check this, because if you do not check this, if you are going to do some demo to your client and when you will try to share your screen, so that screen will get blackout, because this disable privacy screen policy, it won't let you show the screen. So if you want to show this screen to the client or any online tool, so just select this. Okay, and we need to have a sign in profile, so I don't have one, I'll create it. I'll just give any name, test 25, and any other thing are not mandatory, you can just click on create, and we have our sign in profile. And this is for the version specific device. If you want your Fiori client should support only device above 6.0, then you can select, and if you want that should select all the version from 5.1 and above, and just select the 5.1. So I'll go next. Enable asynchronous notification, I don't want that. I'll just build our Fiori client. It will take some time to build the Fiori client, and you can see here it is already in the process. It is building our and guys, our APK is ready to install in our Android device. This is what the interface we get. We can scan the QR code to directly install in the device, or we can directly click here and download the APK and use on any other device to download it. So it will take some time to download mine. I will say this in Android device directly. Okay, properly on my Android device, and I'll share my Android device screen by inspecting it. Just give me a second. Yeah, so this is my Android device, and this I have installed the Fiori client we built right now. Okay, so I'll click on login. So it will show this interface. Now you hear that I have removed the default URL from there, so this is going to be empty. If you see, there is no URL in this. Okay, so there are several ways to add this. You can manually type in, or you can make a QR code. I have created a QR code to scan this. I will scan it in a second. So guys, I have scanned it successfully, and you can see that URL is been appearing on the input. Now I'll press OK. So this will add this URL and navigate you to the same FLP URL you have entered. So it asks for a passcode. I'll enter a passcode. It should have been 8 character. Enter it and enable the fingerprint. If your device support, this option will be shown automatically. Okay, so it will ask for fingerprint authentication. It won't display here. So here just give me a second and we'll be right back, and when the pop-up come up on this screen, get disappear. So let me show that FLP. So after that, this is what interface we get. I have added a Fiori site URL. I'll log in this. I'll autofill. I have my own IDs. Just it takes some time to load the FLP site, and my network connection either. Meanwhile, I'll show you the plugin we added, how we can check that our plugin got added or not in this FLP. So here we can see our FLP has been loaded successfully. So currently I do not have any tag yet. So yeah, it's there, it's coming slowly. So this is what it is, guys. So now I'll show you how to check that we have added the Custom Fiori plugin has been added to our client or not. So Cordova, type Cordova on console plugins. Here, if you say a Cordova plugin has a few the barcode scanning, printing, and screen orientation plugin in the custom we have added will be available at window level. So window dot the plugin we have added, it has an intensive functionality, I mean the method in it. You can see, and if you want, here is the URL, GitHub URL for that plugin, and you can see that Windows or plugins dot instance.register pathway. This is the function for the plugin, and we can say that we have into.intention. So that function is available. I can directly go to register plugin start. Yes, instant plugin dot since dot register. See, we have the URL for that, and we can register and do whatever the functionality your native app need to be to process, like camera scanning, laser scanning, we can achieve by this adding a custom URL in the Custom Fiori client. So this is all it, guys. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. So do not forget to subscribe, like. Thank you.